Well, we started this week off with some pretty nice weather outside today.
I know, that sunshine felt so good, especially after a really Monday, you know, the Monday after a Super Bowl.
Yeah.
It's nice to have that sunshine, George.
It certainly is a Monday. That reminds me of a song, but anyway, yeah, it is post-Super Bowl day, but again, the sunshine most welcome along with the still milder than average temperatures. But tomorrow, we're going to see a little bit of cooler weather in view, and that's why the 13 weather ball is blue.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by LaFontaine Ford Grand Rapids.
Hey, do you want to get inside information from the 13 on your side weather team? Grab your camera there. I'm going to give you a second to do that and scan this QR code. We're going to be sending you some text messages if you would like. If you text the keyword weather, type in weather into the bar there to 616-559-1310. And three times a week, we'll send you what we're thinking in terms of the weather. More than what you can see here on the TV, and maybe even a little bit of weather history and some weather nuggets. So that's weather to 616-559-1310 to sign up. There you go. Lots of sunshine today. We've got more on the way, especially tomorrow morning. And again on Wednesday. That's Valentine's Day. We like to see sunshine on Valentine's Day. Temperatures have scaled back a little bit. Now we're getting closer to sundown. From our highs today, we're in the upper 30s to around 40, still low 40s along the I-94 corridor, but about 5 to 6 degrees warmer than yesterday at this time. Certainly was most welcome. We had just a few clouds come through earlier today. Back to the west, got a cold front that's dipping down through the area. You can see right in through here. That's going to knock our temperatures down a couple of degrees. Those mid-level clouds we saw came from courtesy of that. Meanwhile, southeast and eastern seaboard are going to see a lot of wintry weather next 24 hours. We're going to see mainly clear skies tonight. Those are high clouds coming through, and then morning sunshine followed by afternoon clouds. And even those are going to clear out here tomorrow night. And then the next weather system not knocking on our door until Wednesday night and Thursday. This is during the day on Wednesday, so good deal of sunshine. And then here comes a little bit of a wintry mix, mainly snow, especially I-96 northward. And yes, there'll be enough where it will affect your morning and midday commute during the day on a Thursday. And then after that, we've got a fairly dry weekend coming up. This is where most of the precipitation will be falling around the Grand Rapids area down toward I-94. That's in the form of mainly rain, but we could see up to about 3 inches of snow here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Yep, winter is still not done. High temperatures tomorrow will be down a few degrees, only 37 for a high. That's down about 5, up to 40 on Valentine's Day, and then back down to 38 during the day on Thursday. Looking farther ahead, high chances will be a little bit cooler from the 18th through the 22nd, and equal chance for more or less precipitation, although that storm track getting a little bit closer to us. Forecast for tonight, clear skies, below freezing, upper 20s to around 30. Northern zone, you'll be in the mid and upper 20s, light southwest wind. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, overnight lows right around 28 to 29. 13 on your side forecast. We'll give a limited winter weather impacts for Thursday. Rain and a wintry mix south, some snow from Grand Rapids northward. A few lake effect flurries Friday and Saturday of no consequence, but both of those days will be below freezing. And then a warm up next week from 35 on Sunday to 43 by the following Wednesday. So, yep, you are right. Winter is not done.
Oh, darn.
It seems strange to see the 20s back in the forecast after the past week. All right, thanks so much, George.
Plenty of sunshine today helped boost temperatures into the 40s in many areas, but we are going to see a little bit of a cool down for the next couple of days. 13 weather ball is blue, a little cooler weather in view.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by LaFontaine Ford Grand Rapids.
With skies clearing here this evening, it should be a great night to walk Phoenix and Jericho. They're looking like, yeah, they want to go out for a walk, Alex and Beth. We'll see sunshine in 30s here this evening, dropping below freezing in the morning, but we're going to give you a green paw with both your evening and morning walk. That's your dog walking forecast. Today, 8.0 out of a 10-point scale, only 4.5 out of a 10-point scale here tomorrow. Morning sunshine, but afternoon clouds will cut our solar energy output about in half. Winds will be up a little bit here tomorrow. They were fairly light today. They'll be still on the lighter side here during the day tomorrow. We had some mid-level clouds come in in. That's a cold front right in through here, a very weak cold front coming on through. That introduced those mid-level clouds. There's another cold front right in through here. That's going to drop through overnight tonight, turn our winds to the north, so that's why we're going to be a little bit cooler during the day tomorrow. But all of these will come through virtually dry. We'll see sunshine to start our day tomorrow, some afternoon clouds, and then we will see more sunshine and clearing skies overnight here on Wednesday before the clouds roll in late in the day. Now, the next weather system following that will come in late on Valentine's night, but when you wake up in the morning on Thursday, yes, we have some snow, maybe a wintry mix down around I-94. So a wintry day coming up, and then that'll all be done by noon on Thursday, and then we'll be back into some quieter weather later on in the week. This is where the bulk of the precipitation right now is occurring from I-96 to the south, and that will be a mixture of rain and snow, and then there'll be snow, especially from north of I-94 up through 996 as we get into late Wednesday night. This is Thursday morning, already a couple of inches of snow here and more over to the south and east. This may shift a little bit further north depending on the model run. We'll update that as we get a little bit closer. That's 2 days away. Highs tomorrow around 37. That's colder than today, but back up around 40 on Valentine's Day with a little bit of that sunshine, and then cooler on Thursday with a high right around 38. So some of that snow that will be accumulating will also be melting with those above freezing temperatures. Now, wrapping up the third or fourth week of February, our chances for temperatures are going either way. We'll maybe a little bit closer to our average highs in the mid-30s, but most of the country is going to be pretty close to average, warmer in the Midwest, and our chances for more precipitation occur also during that 5-day period. We usually get about 3.8 inches worth of snow, but tonight skies will be clear, below freezing, around 29 to 31, light south wind early tonight. Mid and upper 20s north, below freezing under clear skies. Here in the greater Grand Rapids zone, pretty much the same. Overnight lows between about 28 and 29. 13 on your side forecast. Nice sunny Valentine's Day up near 40. And then we'll slip back to 38 with that wintry mix and snow. We'll give you limited impacts for wintry weather on Thursday. Much colder for Friday and Saturday. Highs in the upper 20s with a few lake effect flurries, no impacts there. But sunny and 35 on Sunday. The holiday Monday back up to 38. And models are trending milder next week with some sunshine and temperatures 40 plus Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
Oh, on the weekend's going to be much cooler.
Much colder, yeah.
All right. Well, thank you so much, George. That sunshine today, George, was so nice, especially after a Monday like today, after the Super Bowl, where people might be dragging a little bit more. It helped pick people up.
It does, but you know, if I'm not feeling so well, you had sunshine in my eyes, you know, I just want to close my eyes. No.
Oh, no.
No, it was a great Monday, especially for February. And this has been a rather unusual start to the month of February. We'll talk about that in a second. 13 weather ball, though, is blue. We have a little bit cooler weather in view.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by LaFontaine Ford Grand Rapids.
Would you like to get little inside information to the 13 on your side weather team? Maybe a little trivia, maybe a little insight into what the weather forecast that you're not getting on your weather apps, or maybe online, or even here on your weathercast. To sign up for those occasional texts, text the word weather, W-E-A-T-H-E-R, to that number there, 616-559-1310. You'll get a message saying, hey, welcome to the team. And we'll occasionally send you a text message, and you'll get all the inside scoop that you can talk about with your friends and family. Highs today, we're up into the low 40s, made 42 here in Grand Rapids. Average high is at 33, warmer than last year, or cooler than last year's of 48. But that 42 also matched our forecast high. We've done 3 bullseyes in a row, and we hope to continue our 4-day on-target streak. Here's how unusual it has been through the first 12 days of February. It is our warmest start to February. It's our sunniest start to February. It is our driest start to any February, and the lowest amount of snowfall for any February up to this point. That will all change by the end of the month, but yeah, it's been unusually mild. And for the winter season, which began back on December 1st, we're still solidly in 3rd place for the warmest quote-unquote winter season up through today. Yeah, it's been not a winter. Few mid-level clouds came through earlier this afternoon, along a little bit of a weak cold front slipping through the area right now, but you got a stronger cold front coming down from the north. As our winds shift to the north and pick up here overnight, that's the reason why we'll be a few degrees cooler. That front will basically come through dry. Not going to put any snow flurries in the forecast for tomorrow because we got a good deal of sunshine with some afternoon clouds rolling through, and then those clouds will clear on out tomorrow night. Man, it's going to get kind of cold early on Wednesday morning, but for Valentine's Day, we're going to see lots of sunshine until some high clouds come at the end of the day. Those high clouds are out ahead of the next weather system that will be arriving while you sleep. Wednesday night, Thursday morning, you're going to wake up to a wintry mix south of Grand Rapids and snow from Grand Rapids northward. But that will all quickly come to an end through the morning hours, and by the end of the day, we'll see some accumulating snow. Most of the heavy precip right now appears to be from Grand Rapids southward toward I-94. I think we will also see a good deal of snow in this area. This track may slip a little bit further north as the next model runs come in, but you can see we still have some wintry weather with some impacts during the day on Thursday, especially for your morning and midday commute. Forecast though for tomorrow, morning sunshine, some afternoon clouds. We'll be in the mid and upper 30s, cooler than today by about 5 to 10 degrees. Winds will be picking up out of the north. Northerly winds as well north with temperatures above freezing in the mid-30s. Morning sun, afternoon clouds, and similar here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Highs between about 37 and 38. 13 on your side forecast. So dry couple of days. We'll see some sunshine tomorrow, a little more on Wednesday. And then that wintry mix with snow and maybe even some rain south for late Wednesday night and Thursday. And then behind that, some of the coldest air so far this month of February. There'll be some lake effect clouds and snow flurries, highs below freezing both Friday and Saturday, back to 35 though on Sunday. Next week for President's Day, starting to warm up again by Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week. Some sunshine and perhaps low 40. So yeah, Elena, we still have winter in the forecast.
Still have winter, but honestly not a lot. I mean, this weekend looks like it's going to be cool, but there's still some 40s in that forecast.
There certainly are.
All right, well, thanks so much, George.